In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pop-up in GetResponse. We'll walk through where to find the pop-up builder, how to choose a great starting point, and how to customize it so it fits your brand and goals. I'll also share practical tips along the way to help you get better results without overwhelming your visitors. First, head to the Tools menu inside your account. From there, open Forms and Pop-ups. This is the hub where all your on-site forms live. Click the Create button to start a new one. You'll land in the template gallery, which is the fastest way to get a professional-looking pop-up without building from scratch. Take a moment to browse the templates. Look for a layout that fits your purpose, whether it's growing your list, promoting a discount, or highlighting a lead magnet. Keep the structure simple: a clear headline, a brief description, a field or two, and a strong call to action. Use the preview to see how each template looks on desktop and mobile before you commit. After selecting your template, jump into customization. Update the headline to make the value unmistakable. Lead with the benefit users get, not just the feature. Keep the body text short and scannable. 1 or 2 concise lines is usually enough. For the button, choose action-oriented text like "Get the guide" or "Claim my offer," and pick a color that contrasts with your background so it stands out. Next, refine the form fields. Fewer fields typically mean higher conversions. If you only need an email, start there. If you add a name field, make it optional when possible. Add a brief note about how you'll use the information, and include any required consent text relevant to your audience and region. Brand it with your colors, fonts, and logo. Swap in a lightweight image or icon that reinforces your message, and check spacing so the design feels balanced. Switch to the mobile view and adjust text size, button width, and padding to ensure it's easy to tap and read on smaller screens. Now set behavior and display rules. Choose when it appears, after a short delay, when someone scrolls a bit, or when they show exit intent. Limit how often it shows to the same person to avoid fatigue, and choose which pages it should appear on. Customize the success message so people know what happens next, like check your inbox for the download. Give everything a final proofread and preview across devices. With that, you've created a polished pop-up in GetResponse that's ready to engage your visitors.